Hey guys, how you doing? I got a question for you. Are you ready?
Yes, we're ready, Felicio.
Oh, goody! Hello, I want to sing some songs for you. I'm a singster. Okay, hit it, boys. Oh, 1, 2. Oh, I forgot. I have no band. I sold it for some opium a long time ago. I'm sorry. Okay, I do an acapella. Here's a little treat for you. It's called a Coldplay medley. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Bum bum ba da da bum bum ba da bum 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 ba da da bum bum. I used to rule the world. Yeah, I see the fear in my enemy's eyes. Look at the stars. Look how they shine for you, and everything that you do, and it was all yellow. Give it up for Coldplay, everybody. Coldplay. They're a cool band. I've never heard their music. I just read the lyrics and I sing them. And that guy, he has the things written and he wears the bracelets, and I just think it's great. Huh? How you guys doing tonight? How you guys doing? Are you guys having a good time? That's good, because I'm having a bad time. Oh. Most times are bad for your old friend Felicio. It would be a better time if I had some opium. You don't have no opium? Does anybody here have some opium? I'll be having a good time if I had some opium. Oh, we'll talk later. Okay, great. But enough with the talking, more songs. This is an old favorite here that always does well in Birmingham. Alright, a 1. Okay, never mind. Okay, a 1, 2, 3, 4. I am the driver, he is the singer. We get along like a pair of mixed-match mechanics. Mechanics send us into overdrive. We don't mind. Oh, that's a song written by my good friend Charlie Chaplin. Give it up for Charlie Chaplin, everybody. He's here tonight. Give it up for Charlie Chaplin, everybody. Oh no, Felicio. No, not again, Felicio. I'm sorry, Charlie's not here tonight, guys. Charlie Chaplin, he was a good friend of mine. Now he's dead. Oh, he was a good friend of mine. Now he's dead. Most of my friends are dead. Oh, that's what happens when you take your friends up to New Jersey to meet the mafia. They shoot you. They shoot you in the face. It wasn't supposed to be him. It was supposed to be me. They were mad at me. I couldn't even get it out of my mouth. I was like, this is Charlie. Before I did it, boom, they shot him. They're like, this guy's name is Felicio McNairn. They didn't think about me because Charlie Chaplin, he was another motherfucker. I'm sorry. He was a good friend of mine. Now he's dead. I'm sorry. Is everybody still having a good time?
Woo!
In spite of my bad times. It's a hard cross to bear, me having this bad time and you having this good time that you have. Oh, it's good to be back here in, I'm sorry, where am I? Oh, Birmingham, Alabama, great. Hey, do we have any fans of the Crimson Tide here tonight? Well, yeah, there's some good fans here. How about the War Eagles? Huh? Any fans of the War Eagles? Yeah. I like both teams. Call me crazy.
Felicio, you're crazy.
I know, I'm sorry, I can't help it. No, but it's good to be back here in Birmingham, Alabama. Oh, the last time I was here in Birmingham, Alabama. Oh, it was 1965, and I was here to see a show by my good friend Ella Fitzgerald. You guys like Ella Fitzgerald? Yeah. Oh, after the show I came up to her, I was like, Ella! And she was like, she didn't know who I was. It was a bad time, but that didn't stop us from making mad, ferocious love in the closet in the back of the room at the Balboa Auditorium. She didn't know what she was doing, but it was still a good time, you know? One of the few good times I've had in my life. As I mentioned, most times are bad. Are you guys having a good time? Woo! Good. I am still having a bad time. What's the update on the opium situation? Anybody have anything? Okay, good. Oh, I can't see you beautiful people. Who's out there? Is there anybody? I asked this question many times to myself during the day, driving on the bus or walking around Alaska, or what I think is Alaska. Is everybody out there? Oh, hey, how are you? How you doing? You doing good? Are you having a good time? Do you know what kind of time I'm having? Yeah, good guess. What is your name? Christy, that's a beautiful name. Christy, can you do me a favor? Can you please do me a favor, Christy? Please do Felicio a favor. I'm having such a bad time. Can you do me a favor? Sing me your name. Sing me your name. Sing me your name. I'm ready. Christy. Christy, I'm a fan of your singing. Oh, she says that she's a fan of my singing too. Yeah, you know, Christy, let's make the world go round. Is there anybody sitting next to you right now? Spencer. Spencer, remember she said that she was a fan of my singing. Spencer, can you sing me your name? Spencer. Spencer, I'm a fan of your singing. Oh, thank you so much. Spencer, I have a secret I want to tell you. Are you ready? Cup your ear. That's how you receive the secret. That's how you receive the secret, Spencer. Cup your ear. I'll cut my mouth. That's how I transmit secrets. Is your ear cupped?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, are you ready for the secret?
Yes.
You and me? We're gonna have a good time tonight. Don't tell anybody. I'm sorry, guys. It was secrets. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't let me put my disease in you, Bubba, now. Oh, no, woman. I'm not picky. And I have many of them. And again, I like to stress, I'm not picky. Oh, it would be so much better if I had some opium right now. Nobody. Seriously, nobody opium. Oh, come on. Oh, man, back in the day, these days, opium dens are so bad. And now martini lounges, they're the good things to be at. But back in the day, opium dens were good and martini lounges were bad. Back in the day, in martini lounges, there'd be babies drinking martinis. Have you ever seen a drunk baby? Yes. It's not pretty. They start crying, and not like how babies cry, because babies cry all the time. That's what they do. They cry. But no, they be sobbing. Oh, my God. That's not a good place for babies to be. The opium dens, babies were pretty laid out. Shut down, you know? You should check them out sometime. Back in the past. Alright, one more song. Here's a song for you, requested by the owners of this bar. Here we go. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Bum, 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 bum. Something, 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 so something that girl from Ipanema goes walking. Keep us. That was Spanish. I try to sing some more upbeat songs because wherever I go, the bartenders are like, Felicio, you just come in and sing about your dead friends. And I said, yeah, isn't it horrible? And they say, yes, it is. And then I say, I see what you did there with the wordplay and I don't appreciate it. I don't. Seriously, I'll ask one more time. Hey, oh, is that my man? Is that my man with you? Oh, is that, hey friend. Hey friend. Oh, excuse me guys a little. Oh, excuse me guys, here we go. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, so some of the things I turn around for your good old friend Felicio. I got something in my pocket. It rhymes with opium. I call it opium, and it's burning a fire in my pocket right now. Literally, I'm trying to light it right now. I need the high. But anyway, that's it for your friend, good old time Felicio Menendez. Oh, look, the big guys on the song. They're me over and over again. Felicio, you keep clapping. They won't stop. It gets louder and louder and louder. They love me. Oh, everybody. You're going to enjoy that moping. Ladies and gentlemen,